Welcome back. Now, in order to create a new canvas for a new image or multiple images, you're going to go to this File command. You're then going to go to this New area and you're going to click New Image. Now, you can set the background of the image at the size at which you want and the color at which you want. Once you have your color and your size, you're then going to click Create. What you can then do is add your images to the background. Do that by dragging and dropping any of your recent images to the canvas. If you then want to change the color of the canvas, you can do that. You're going to go to your Image menu. You're then going to go to your canvas color. You can then change your canvas color. And once we have our image in our canvas, what we can do is we can go back to the Image menu and we can then click Trim. That will then bring our entire screen down to the level of the image, which we can then save in the format that we want. What we can then do is we can click the Snap to Object area, and then we can save this image in the format that we want. Now in the next video, we're going to open a canvas and we're going to work with multiple images inside of one canvas. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.